You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of the current Prime Minister of Hungary. If you want to learn more Hungarian vocabulary, names of famous places in Hungary and other political leaders, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Hungarian pronunciation: Viktor Orbán. Viktor Orbán. In English, therefore, it's usually pronounced as Viktor Orbán. You want to stress on that ban syllable. Viktor Orbán. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.